today's lesson is lesson 16. We're not going to be doing the division using this. We're still going to do the array in Big 7. So we're not going to use the chart. So if you look at it, it says 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is the same thing as 7 divided by 2. So if we're going to do the array model, I'm going to put things in groups of what? 2. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now I'm going to circle those groups of 2, 2, 4, 6. So my answer is 1, 2, 3 is my quotient with 1 left over. So the answer is 3 remainder 1. So I can check my work by taking my answer right here and doing 3 times 2, which is 6, and add 1, and gives me 7. When I get back to 7, that means my answer is correct. Now, Big 7. So if I got 7 divided by 2, 7 here, divided by 2. Now the Big 7, that means that in all the facts of 2, I want to get close to 7 without going over. So 2 times what's going to give me close to 7 that I know without going over? Let's see it. Alright, she says 3. Yes. So 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, we get 1. So if 2 is bigger than what I got left right here, my answer is still 3 remainder 1. So I got 2 of the same answers. Question? Alright, let's look at the next one. So I'm not going to use my place value disk. And this says 27 divided by 2. So this is actually in the house. So you always say what's in the house first and divide by 2. So I'm going to do my array. So I rewrite it by saying 27 divided by 2. That means that I'm going to put these in groups of what? 2. So I'm going to count all the way to 27 by 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So those 27 discs. I'm going to count 2, circle 2 at a time. So that's 2, that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26. Why didn't I circle the last one? Because it's not in groups of what? 2. So now I'm going to count my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer is 13 remainder 1. I got 1 left. That's my remainder. So same thing, check your work. I'm going to take my answer and multiply it times 2. What's 2 times 3?
2 times 3 is 6.
2 times 1.
2.
Then I got to add my remainder, which is 1, which equals what?
27.
So I got 27 here, back to my original problem, 27. So my quotient is my answer, is 13, and my remainder is 1. Question? Now, let's do the same thing by using the Big 7. Now the Big 7 is using what I know. Now, we know for a fact nothing times 2 gives me 27 because I got something left over. Now, I want to go to a landmark number. What is a landmark number, Caleb? What number can I use if I know for a fact I don't know all my 2's? Dalton? 10. So I do 10. What's 2 times 10?
20.
So I put 20 here and subtract, I get 7. Now, 2 times what's going to give me close to 7 without going over?
6.
Alright? 2 times 6 is 12.
2 times 3.
2 times 3. Put 3 here. And if 2 times 3 is 6, I subtract and get 1. So 2 is bigger than 1, so I stop. So I add 10 and 3 and get 13. And with what? 1 left over. 2 different strategies, but I got the same answer. Question?
No, sir.
Alright, let's look at the next page.
Just kidding.
Alright, we're not going to do the place value chart. Now, we say what's in the house first. 8 divided by 3. So,
8.
I normally look at 8 divided by 3 like this. So, I'm going to go to 8, but in multiples of what?
3.
3. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to circle my groups of 3. 3 here, 3 here. Why didn't I circle the 2? Because it's not 3. So I got 2 groups circled, which is my quotient, with what? 2 left over, which is my remainder.
2 remains 2.
So I actually take 3 times 2 and get 6, then plus 2, and I get what? 8. 8 is here, 8 is here. That's the correct answer. Now I'm going to do my big 7. 8 divided by 3. Now I got to know my facts of 3. 3 times what's going to give me close to 8 without going over? Well, what's 3 times 1?
3.
What's 3 times 2?
6.
What's 3 times 3?
9.
So 9 is too much, so I got to go down to my 2. And 3 times 2 is 6. I subtract, I get 2. 3 is bigger than 2, so I stop. So my answer still is 2, remainder 2. Question?
It's still.
Alright. Let's look at the last one. So it's 38 divided by 3. 38 divided by 3. So yes, you're going to write 38 this. Alright, but I'm going to put them in groups of what? 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I'm going to circle those same groups of 3. 3 here. Alright, so we're going to count how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 12 with how many?
2.
With 2 left over. So 12 remainder 2. Alright, now I'm going to do the big 7. Same thing. 38 divided by 3. What's that landmark fraction? Can I use 10?
Yes.
Yes. What about if we use something else? Who knows a fact that you know? 3 times what's going to give me closest to 38? Latia? 3 times 4. Alright? So we use 4. What's 3 times 4?
12.
So I got 12 here. I subtract. I get 26. Now I gotta say 3 times what's not going to give me anything over 26? Savion? 3 times 9. Alright, 3 times 9 is what?
No, 27.
27. That's too much.
3 times 8.
Alright, 3 times 8. So I put 8 on the outside, and 3 times 8 is 24. I subtract, we get 2. 3 is bigger than 2, so I what?
Stop.
Stop. So my answer is, add these 2 numbers up, is 12, remainder 2. 2 different strategies with the same answer. My quotient is 12, my remainder is 2. Alright, so I'm going to double check. I'm going to take 12, which is my answer, times my divisor, which is 3. And I get 36, plus my remainder of 2, which I get 38. So 38 is here and here. So my answer is what?
38.
Means it's what?
Correct.
Correct. Okay, any questions?
No.
Alright, so you got to make sure you know your multiplication facts and you know your strategy.